Holy shit, boys. I guess we're here. There's not many people down there. So I thought I was in the wrong spot for quite a bit. But then I look over and I see a Grom ripping wheelies, so it must be it, I guess. Pretty typical track stuff. Some 240s, some new Supras. New shifter's so weird. Like, I don't know if there's racing too. Like derby stuff. I really don't know what is going on. Oh, I love the limo though. What up, fellas?
What's up, dude?
What's going on? What's up, man? How you doing? Man, I fucking love a supermoto. Matching jerseys are kind of fresh. I love an FC decel. gonna keep them rolling. Woo! So close! That could have been a showstopper. I think it's just mayhem. I don't think anyone knows what's going on. My dude fucking kills on that FC though. I said that last ride. Baby. Yeah. Yep, that's like where I ride most of the time. That back cul-de-sac and everything, yeah. Yeesh! Hammering. Oh, what this is, U-Car or something? With the Eclipse. Yeah, they got the checkered flag out. Skirt, skirt. Alright, brother, I'm gonna load up out there.
Yeah, that.
If they open it.
That guy waiting out there is trying to come in.
Oh yeah, alright. I'm gonna catch them as he comes in. Any chance you're opening that anytime soon?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Oh. What's up, brother? How you doing?
Are you coming in?
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you. Alright. Per usual, I just did an outro and I wasn't recording. What else is new? But I just drove around the track and said it's a cool thing. That was cool. I'm happy I got the invite. All those dudes are cool. I almost fucking totaled one of their bikes by accident because I'm a squid still, no matter what. I like that they're in the progressing stage. Like, that's my favorite, when like the homies just learn to scrape. They're just learning to take a hand off, you know what I mean? That stuff's awesome. That's when like the vibes are at its highest and it's just a fun time. And the dude on the FZ, I think his name's Aaron, he just shreds. I actually finally met him. We're Facebook friends, so I met him through Facebook like always. But yeah, I actually met him at this event, so that was cool. Now I'm driving home. I'm gonna hit them up next time I have a lot day. Hopefully they hit me up, vice versa, all this stuff. They're all cool dudes. So I'm traveling next week for work. I'm going to Arizona. I have like 6 hours of footage to go through, from going home to going to Maine, then going to the Cape, then going back down here for this. So In the meantime, keep watching. Hit that subscribe button so you know when a video pops up. I swear they're not all lame. They're getting better and better. Maybe like the video if you like the video. Maybe drop a comment. Like I always say, I don't even care if it's a negative comment. Just put a comment down there, you know? But, alright. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching.